You go to brush your teeth tonight, you have to make this face. You're brushing too hard. You know you are. One of the biggest things I see when people come in for their dental hygiene appointments is toothbrush abrasion or kind of abrasion on the enamel from over brushing, particularly with too hard of a toothbrush. So you have ultra soft, soft, medium, and hard. We should only ever be using soft or extra soft. Medium and hard should only be for like toilets and tiles. They should never go in your mouth. When you overbrush your teeth and you cause this gum recession, what happens is you start getting sensitivity. These areas are more prone to acid erosion. They're more prone to starting little areas of decay because they're never meant to see the light of day. So when you're brushing, best would be if you're using an electric brush, but if you're using a manual brush, it needs to be the softer, the ultra soft, and you need to remember, it's meant to be a soft motion. These should be circular strokes, nothing hard and back and forth. The bristles should not be like this. They should be just gently touching the teeth. Easy.